So I already broke into the box, but if you have a Sam's Club membership, this is on sale right now for $40 off. I think it was $160, $170, and I already ripped it apart, so it's can't really see well, but it's super heavy duty, easy to put together. And yeah, I'm gonna use this for up in my office for all my shirts and stuff. Little overkill probably, but I like the design. I like the metal mesh that goes on the shells. So yeah, we're gonna put this together and get up in my office, and then maybe we'll see what Joe's doing on the track. Okay, I'm taking these pieces up piece by piece because the box is way too heavy.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no.
Going.
Good. Only made a few passes on the 140. Made a bunch of passes on the 2DO. Oh, you're missing two over there.
Oh, am I? That's why I have extra parts.
Carb, new air filter, the new throttle cable, throttle housing, all that stuff is on. We have the carburetor mostly dialed in. I may make a few more adjustments, but it's definitely 100,000 times better. When he was running on the factory carburetor, he'd hit a jump and it would just bog right out. And we eliminated that with the new carb. Oh, come on. Hold on, I gotta be noisy.
We are making our way. This was like my little exercise room, so I have to get the bike moved, but that's a whole process. Joe uses like the loader and puts it right out the door because we're on a second story. So I got to get that out of here. And then the other thing I need Joe to do, which he doesn't want to do, I don't think, and maybe it's like extra hard, I want him to cut and frame like a big hole opening here. So this room and then my office are kind of like all one big room, because I'm going to have like my shipping area here. I have my office, and then I'll have my shirt making here. And then I know it's silly, like not coming out and around and just going side to side, but I think it'd help make it like feel way bigger too, because this one would be a wall right here. It'd all be open. So I don't know if he'll do it for me or not, but that's the last thing I really want done up here. But so I'm just starting to organize, you know, unboxing all the orders I've got shipped, and I had no place to go, so I'm just digging in. We go from size small to extra large, and I have been requested for bigger sizes. After this weekend sale, if we sell enough, I just don't want to buy tons of inventory. This is like kind of my side gig of the business. So I don't want to buy thousands and thousands of dollars of stuff and like never sell it. So we have had a handful of orders. So thank you so much. I'm so excited about it. And I'm working on some new designs. So you'll have to keep your eyes out for that. But yeah, as long as we sell a few more orders this weekend, like today, tomorrow, I will buy some 3X so that I have that stocked, and then we'll just go from there. We mostly, yes, just sell black sweatshirts and t-shirts. I have been asked that, like, do you guys only wear jeans and wear black shirts? And yes, we are so plain. But if this takes off throughout the winter, because I stay at home and homeschool Bentley, and I only go help the guys work like if there's a snowstorm. So I'm kind of hoping this is like a side gig that keeps me home and keeps me doing something, especially throughout the winter. So we'll see how it goes. Okay, I'm trying to find some places for hats. These are all my blank ones I haven't made yet. But what is HVHR hats? If you know the answer to what HVHR is, you are definitely, you've definitely been around for a while. So leave it in the comments, and the first one to comment what HVHR is, I will ship you a hat. So if you know what HVHR is, leave it in the comments. I'll ship you a hat if you're the first one to do so. And it's just nostalgic. It's kind of fun. I am printing some packing slips and getting some orders ready, trying to make this upstairs my office space. Oh my gosh. I think I have everything organized for what I have for now, and I'm gonna go check on the guys in the dirt bike track real quick. But I wanted to say a big shout out to someone who watches our videos. We cheer him on, he cheers us on Instagram all day, every day. And so you need to go check out Lawns by Austin on Instagram. This gentleman is a veteran. He is a husband, a father, a landscaper, and he trains dogs. He has been my go-to for our little pit bull mix that we rescued. He's been having some like wicked anxiety issues, and Austin is always a message away and always answers and is so helpful. So if you're down in like North Carolina area, look him up, whether it's for lawn care or dog training. He is such a humble, helpful guy, and we appreciate his support so much, because I know him and his family, they'll be on here watching this. I don't think he misses much of any videos, so yeah, hopefully, I think if I remember correctly, he was talking about trying to go to the expo this year, and it's gonna be so fun to meet so many of you. We're just going to be walking around having a good old time. Last year we went every single day. We were so tired. We didn't go to the concert, but this year they have Gretchen Wilson. So come hell or high water, we are going to that concert, because Gretchen Wilson is my girl from way back in the day. So yeah, let us know in the comments if you're going to the Equip Expo. It's getting closer and closer. We are so excited for it. We just booked our place that we're staying for the week. So we'll be driving from New Hampshire. We were going to fly, but last year Harvey bought like a chainsaw, and we got these big things, and we were talking, we're like, what if we fly and we have to like ship all this back, and you have to rent a truck, and we never go on vacation. We just want our own stuff. We want to be able to leave if we need to leave. So we are just gonna drive. We booked our place and we are excited. So leave in the comments if you're going, because we cannot wait to meet you guys. And like I said, we're just gonna be walking around every day. So if you see us, wave us down, run after us, tackle us. Just make sure I'm recording so I can put it on the YouTube. But yeah, we're excited to see so many of you. Benno babe, how's it going?
Good.
So you made some adjustments to your new bike.
Yeah.
Put on some fun purple stuff. And you got some new graphics coming with your name and number so you can race in a few weeks. Nice. I'm gonna go see how Dad's doing on the track.
On the new carbon. All that.
Yeah. Let's hear
She
it.
still needs a little adjustments, but she's pretty close to being tuned.
Well, all right. I jinxed you.
I'm just kicking like a little girl.
You're kicking like a little girl. Alright, I'm gonna go check out the track, see what's different.
Alright, I'll come over.
Pay it last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past and the pettiness. A reflection of the emptiness, hilarious. You think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains that last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable. Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread.
We're on a mission to 10,000 followers before the end of the year. We also have in our hands the very first release to the public ProRun blower, the PBB3000. We were the first ones. I don't know how it happened or how we lucked out, but we are so excited to bring you some of those videos. We have a bunch of projects lined up. We're going to be doing fall cleanups before you know it. The leaves are already falling. So help us to hit that 10,000 goal. And thanks for being here. We appreciate each and every one of you. All right, YouTube. I think Bentley has 1 or 2 friends coming over, gonna try out the track. So Joe is adding like a little, I don't know, S section or something in there so that there's some right-hand turns and not all left-hand. But I am gonna do some more stuff, and then maybe later tonight I'll try going live on YouTube, or maybe I'll stick to TikTok. I don't know. I'm trying to figure all this stuff out. But I'm gonna ship you some orders. Don't forget, today and tomorrow, 25% off all of PoulinProperty.com. And we're gonna keep adding more and more stuff in there. Let me know what you love, what you want more of, what you're missing. If you have the day off tomorrow, I hope you have a happy and safe Labor Day. And we will be working tomorrow, so we may or may not bring you a video. We'll see. But I hope you guys are having a great weekend, and we will see you next time, YouTube. Peace out.